In a decisive move against terrorism, the Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, striking 9 terrorist hideouts in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. These precision strikes targeted infrastructure used to plan and execute attacks against India, demonstrating India's commitment to holding perpetrators accountable. According to the Ministry of Defense, the operation was focused, measured, and non-escalatory, ensuring that no Pakistani military facilities were targeted. The strikes were carried out in Kotli, Bahawalpur, Muzaffarabad, and Muridke, key locations known for harboring terrorist networks. The Indian Army emphasized that considerable restraint was exercised in selecting targets and executing the operation. Videos circulating online show announcements urging civilians in Pakistan to evacuate and seek safe shelter.
ऐलान 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 एक जरूरी ऐलान समाप्त फरमाएं। तमाम एहलियाने मोहल्ला के लोग अपने बच्चों को, अपने बुजुर्गों को लेकर अपने घरों को लाद करके ऊपर रोड वाली तरफ चले जाएं, क्योंकि ये कुछ अदारों का हमें हुक्म है कि आप अपने इस आबादी को यहाँ से थोड़ी देर के लिए शिफ्ट करें।
Authorities in Muzaffarabad and Bahawalpur have reportedly advised residents to move to secure locations amid fears of further military action. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif took to X to condemn the attacks, calling them cowardly and an act of war imposed by India. He declared that Pakistan has the right to respond forcefully and assured the nation that retaliation was underway. Pakistan International Airlines has grounded all domestic and international flights, diverting them to Karachi due to rising tensions. US President Donald Trump expressed hope that the situation between India and Pakistan would settle down very quickly. Speaking at the White House, Trump acknowledged the long-standing conflict between the two nations and emphasized that both sides should work towards de-escalation.
No, it's a shame. We just heard about it just as we were walking in the doors of the Oval. Just heard about it. I guess people knew something was going to happen based on a little bit of the past. They've been fighting for a long time. You know, they've been fighting for many, many decades. No, I just hope it ends very quickly.
Amid the strikes, heavy cross-border shelling erupted along the line of control, with the Pakistan Army launching intense artillery fire in the Jammu sectors of Poonch, Rajouri, Mendhar and Bhimber Gali. Reports indicate that India is retaliating with precision strikes, ensuring that Pakistan's provocations do not go unanswered. The Indian Armed Forces remain fully alert and prepared to counter any further aggression. Operation Sindoor comes in the wake of the barbaric Pahalgam terrorist attack which occurred last month in Jammu and Kashmir's Baisaran Valley. On April 22, 2025, terrorists ambushed a group of tourists, killing 26 individuals, including 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen. Eyewitnesses reported that the terrorists singled out non-Muslim tourists before executing them. The brutality of the attack sent shockwaves across the nation, prompting India to take decisive action against terror networks operating from across the border. Following the attack, India imposed a complete ban on trade with Pakistan, suspended the Indus Water Treaty and reduced diplomatic staff in both countries' high commissions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi vowed that those responsible for the attack would face unimaginable consequences, emphasizing that India would dismantle terrorism's remaining strongholds.
उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।